The grass bag frame both supports the grass bag and connects it to the mower. The bag has clips that secure it to the steel frame. The frame has 2 posts that secure it to the mower. There's also a handle to make removing the bag easy. Most problems with the frame are the result of accidental damage, such as something falling on it or pulling the car too far into the garage and crushing it. Replacing the grass bag frame is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the grass bag from the old frame. Now I can install the new frame. I'll slide it into the bag, making sure that I slide the bag underneath the handle, not over the top. And I'll begin clipping the bag back onto the frame. The bottom portion of the bag goes over the bag frame and snaps in on top. Then I'll just work around the frame, installing each piece. And that's how easy it is to install a new grass bag frame on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up